teacher.
Welcome to EBUS speaking test today. Could you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Anna. I'm 11 years old. I live in Gyeonggi City. I study at NGUYệu School. My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza, okay. So, Anna, where is your school bag made?
My school bag is made in Vietnam.
Vietnam. Okay. Now I have two pictures for you, Anna. Let's
Okay.
look at the two pictures and find out 4 differences.
Okay. In picture 1, there is a guitar next to the boy. But in picture 2, there is a drum next to the boy. In picture 1, girls are standing, but in picture 2, they are sit down.
They are sitting. Okay. What next? 2 more.
Okay. In picture 1, the umbrella is off. But in picture 2, the umbrella is open. Okay, that's all.
One more? You have one more? Okay, what about the man?
In picture 1, the man
is going in the college.
yes. But in picture 2, the boy is going out.
Okay, the boy is going out. Now, look at these pictures I have right here, Anna. And I want you to tell me the story about a better cake. Okay?
Yes.
Let's go.
In this picture, Zoe is crying because her cake is found in
the ground.
Yes.
Okay. Continue.
In picture 2, Zoe is holding a bowl. And her sister Daisy is holding the flower.
Good.
In picture 3, Daisy is whisking. But Zoe is holding the strawberry.
Okay.
And her mom is cutting the pineapple.
Okay.
In picture 4, Zoe is cleaning. Her mom is doing dishes.
Right.
And her sister is holding the flour and the ingredient.
Yeah.
The cake is baking.
Yeah. Okay, final picture.
In final picture, Zoe and her family have a happy day and a best cake.
Okay, thank you, Anna. That is good enough. Now you only have one part left in the speaking test, and I want you to talk about your favorite food and how to make it. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
My favorite food is pizza. I sometimes eat it in the afternoon. There are 5 steps to make it. First, heat the oven and waiting in 30 minutes. Next, make the dough. Then, spread the tomato sauce on the dough.
Okay.
After that, put the ingredient in the dough and put the cheese on the cake.
Okay, put the cheese on the dough.
Yes.
After that,
Okay, after that, put the pizza in the oven and wait in 30 minutes. Finally, put the pizza in a plate and enjoy it.
okay. Thank you, Anna. I believe that is a wonderful recipe right there. So you have done a great job in your speaking test. Thank you for coming, Anna. Now let's say goodbye to our audience.
Goodbye.